Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Roblox error, and the error is third-party software is interfering with Roblox. If you are using software for exploiting or reverse engineering, you will need to uninstall it. So when I am launching the Roblox, you can see I am getting this pop-up error. Third-party software is interfering with Roblox. So if you are also getting this error while launching the Roblox after installing Everness to Everness game, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing the fixes, first let us know the cause of the error, and the cause of the error is the NTE anti-cheat software is causing the problem, which has get installed with the game Neverness to Everness. So the first fix is to restart or shut down your PC. So simply restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch Roblox and check, but do not run the Neverness to Everness game. Now if that doesn't work, then shut down your PC and wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and then start your PC and then launch Roblox and check, and again do not run Neverness to Everness game. Now fix 2 is to disable the driver for NTE. So in Windows search type Powershell and run the Windows Powershell as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow, and then copy this code. I will provide this code in my video description. You can just copy and paste it over here and then hit on enter, and then close it, and then just restart your PC. Restart is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC or else this fix will not work. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can launch Roblox and check, but do not run the Neverness to Everness game. So in Windows search type Roblox and you can launch it, and here you can see my Roblox is launching without any error. You can also run Roblox downloaded from Xbox app. And here you can see the Roblox downloaded from Xbox app is also getting launched. Now once done playing Roblox, and if you want to play Neverness to Everness game, then make sure to enable driver by changing the value from 4 to 2 or 3. 2 is for the automatic enabling the driver and 3 is for the manually enabling the driver. Now again in Windows search type Powershell and open the Powershell as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow, and then copy this code. Again I will provide this code in my video description, so you can just copy and paste it over here and then hit enter, and then close it, and then again you have to restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and then you can go ahead launch the Neverness to Everness game and you can play the game. But if you want to again play Roblox, then you have to perform this process again to play Roblox. Now this fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But in case if you want permanent solution, then the last solution is to uninstall NTE Neverness to Everness game from your PC and then reinstall Roblox. So simply uninstall NTE Neverness to Everness game completely from your PC. Make sure to uninstall Neverness to Everness game completely from your PC. The anti-cheat of the Neverness to Everness game is not getting rid even after uninstalling the Neverness to Everness game. So make sure that NTE Neverness to Everness anti-cheat software also get uninstalled with the game, and then uninstall and reinstall Roblox, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve a Roblox error. Third-party software is interfering with Roblox after installing Neverness to Everness game on PC. So that's all for this video.